Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make a very simple heart keychain. This will be the second Valentine's Day video for this year. I will make sure to put the link for the playlist on the description box below. So we're going to start with a magic ring. We're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second one. And we're going to finish it with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next, we're going to make single crochet. And to make single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. And that is a single crochet. Since we need 6 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 5 more. You can pull the yarn to close the ring. And we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase. So we have to make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. We're going to start with a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. So that is an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. And for this round, we're going to make an increase for every stitch. We're going to continue into the next round. We are going to make a single crochet and then an increase. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into the next round, which is round 4. And for this round, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. Once you're done, you can cut the yarn, but we're going to leave a long tail for sewing. And we'll call this one heart A. We are going to make round 1 until round 4 one more time, but this time we're not going to cut the yarn. And we are going to call this heart B. And for the next round, we're going to combine these two pieces. So we're going to make 15 single crochet on heart B. Once you've made 15 single crochet, there should be 3 stitches left. And we are going to mark the first stitch out of the 3 stitches that were left with a stitch marker. And now we're going to continue the stitches with heart A. And basically we're just going to make a single crochet for each stitch. And we are going to start making the first single crochet on the stitch that is next to the last stitch. So we're going to make 18 single crochet on heart A. Then after you're done making 18 single crochet on heart A, we're going to go back into heart B. So on heart B, we're going to make 3 single crochet and we are going to start from the stitch where we put the stitch marker before. Before moving on into the next round, please make sure that the tail from heart A is on the outside, not on the inside. And now we're going to continue into round 6. And for this round, we're going to start with 7 single crochet. Then after making 7 single crochet, we're going to make a decrease. So we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. And also the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through. And that is the decrease. And for this round, we're going to continue with the pattern of 7 single crochet and a decrease until we reach the end of the round. Continue into round 7. We're going to start the round with 6 single crochet. And we are going to continue with a decrease next. And that's the pattern for this round, 6 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue into round 8. we're going to make 5 single crochet first. Then we're going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern for this round, 5 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into round 9, and for this round we're going to start with 4 single crochet. Then we're going to continue with a decrease. So 4 single crochet and a decrease, we're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. You can insert the stuffing next. Then we can continue into round 10, and for this round we're going to start with 3 single crochet. Then after that we're going to make a decrease. And that is the pattern for this round, 3 single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. Let's continue into round 11, and for this round we're going to make 2 single crochet and a decrease. So we're going to start with 2 single crochet. And we are going to make a decrease next. And we are going to continue with this pattern, 2 single crochet and a decrease until we reach the end of the round. You can insert more stuffing if you want. And we are going to continue into the last round, which is round 12. And for this round, we're just going to make decrease for the whole round. And that is it for the heart. You can cut the yarn. And to close the hole that is at the bottom of the heart, we're going to grab our hook. And we are going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull it out from the loop. And we can just do the same for the rest of the stitches. Then you can just pull the yarn to close the hole. Then you can weave in the end. And then to close the hole that is on top of the heart, we're going to use the tail from heart A. And basically we're just going to sew the hole shut. Once the hole's closed, you can secure the yarn and weave in the end. And then for the last steps, we're going to use a white yarn to add some detail. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the other Valentine's video as well, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!